Do you want to know how to use digital marketing for your small business? Now, this is the same question that I have when I first started my business. In fact, I'm even worse because I do not know how to do normal marketing, because when I started my business in year 2000, we don't have internet like what we have today. So what I do is just learn and pick up on the job training, some type of on the job training, right? Or on the work training, right? And then slowly improve on that. So if you have the same question like me long time ago, how to do marketing for your small business, then you might want to watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you a simple way how to start your digital marketing for your small business. All right, step number one, ask yourself, where does your target customers are? Meaning that which platform, which social media platform does your target customers mostly use, right? Now, we know that if you are targeting younger people, maybe around like 18 to 25 or 30 years old, most of them are in TikTok right now. So TikTok will be a good platform for you if you're targeting this group of people. Same thing if you're in Instagram or in Facebook, or they're in LinkedIn, right? Twitter, and so on. So ask yourself, where are your target customers, right? Which platform do they use mostly? Then it's easier for us to go there and connect with them. Now, my advice is always, if you have not done this before, start with one, then later expand to others. Don't try to market in different platforms because it will take up a lot of your time. So focus on one first, then expand to others. Second steps, once you identify which platform they are using, then what you want to do is to find ways how to connect with this group of people. For example, if I want to sell to people who are interested in fitness, I will go and join like Facebook, Instagram. There's a fitness group in Facebook, right? I can join the Facebook group, and inside there are members. These are the people who are potential my customers. So I'm going to connect with them, right? Say hi. Now, do not promote to them on your first meet, right? So first time we chat with them, you say, hey, I already do this product, do you want to buy? No, don't do that, right? So you want to connect like making friends, right? So what you want to do is connect to them, talk to them, chat with them, right? Network with them, build relationship before you promote your products to them. Now, this is the easiest way for you to start if you are a beginner. So if you already know how to do it offline, it is the same thing, right? Offline, you don't meet someone in the conference and straight away you ask them, do you want to buy my products, right? You're going to shake hands, give them name cards, connect with them, maybe email them, give them a phone call, or come out for a coffee, right? These are all networking. So this is what you do in step 2, which is, I call it the outreach marketing. Now, if you do this correctly, it is already enough. You will definitely find your customers there. Now, the third step is that if you want faster way, then learn up how to do social media advertising. Now, social media advertising is not expensive as you advertise in like a newspapers or magazines. So this is a very good investment for small business to go into. For most of my business, I use social media advertising to help me bring in customers faster because I don't have the time, right? So when you use this social media advertising, they helps you to find your target customers. So it speed up your whole process. And those people who see your ads are most probably your potential customers. Now, of course, you must learn how to do this properly for them to know you first, then build trust with them, and then later they will buy from you. Now, it all depends on your products as well. If you're selling a product like below 100 ringgit or 25 US dollars, a lot of time on the same day when your ads run, you will see sales coming in already. Now, this is usually like e-commerce products below like 100 ringgit. Of course, if you try to sell like 10,000 products, then the process will be different. This method is for those of you who want to get faster results, who don't have the time, right? Either you can learn how to run your social media ads like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads. All these social media have ads. Even TikTok have advertisement as well. So, but if you do not have the time to go and learn, of course, you can outsource and find digital marketing agency or company like us to help you run your advertising. So these are the simple 3 steps all you need to focus to help you start your social media marketing. In fact, if you take the step 2, all you need to understand, step number 1, step number 2, you already can find your customers. It's just that step 2 will require more job, but it may give you a better customers because these customers will know you personally because you network with them. Now, the most important part is that I want you to take action and start doing it. Now, if you want to learn more, we have this monthly training program. It's a digital marketing training for free. It's a 2 hours live session with me. So if you're interested, head down to the description, right? Click on the link and see what is the latest event date and you can register for it for free. So I hope this video will help you get a clear idea how to use digital marketing to grow your business online. By the way, I'm Andrew and I publish weekly business tips to help small business to grow their business online. If you're not subscribed to this channel yet, do click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you will be notified. And meanwhile, in the description, we also have free resources for you to help you kickstart your business. And here's some video that I've done earlier that helps you to grow your business as well. Take a look. See you real soon in my next video.